AI से कोई नहीं बच पाएगा. We also have to be prepared for that.
Don't think about the results. The moment you are afraid, you are just getting pushed away from your goal.
I'm like, okay, maybe I have only 3 months to live. So let me become the best entertainer and help people to be happy in this bad time.
The core of the education system is not broken at all.
Start before you're ready.
It's a human nature that once we test a success, we want to protect it, and we try to become more secure, create more and more boundaries around it. However, when I look at your life, you still went ahead and venture into unknown territories.
I do these things because I never want to be on my deathbed and say, oh, I could have done this and I should have done this. I'll be like, at least I tried. The young ones definitely have clarity. Don't think of multiple careers from the beginning, because once you get out of school and college, it is not easy because you have still not seen the world.
If you look at our current education system, is it a broken, or does it have the potential for transformation?
See, the core of the education system is not broken at all. It's how we are delivering that education. I would really like it if young people came up and said, look, this is the need of the hour. Let's make our syllabus like this. When we took the PISA test, India featured nowhere. We featured at the bottom. Higher education in our country, it really, really needs a lot of changes.
What traits do you think makes a great teacher in today's world?
Empathy. I also believe teacher must have a very sound command of the subject that the teacher is teaching, because that's when the children respect you.
तो सिनेमाटोग्राफी में या फिल्म्स में एआई का क्या इम्पैक्ट हो रहा है, और इसका अल्टीमेट कोई इम्पैक्ट सिनेमाटोग्राफी में होने वाला है, आपके ट्रेड में होने वाला है?
अब AI से कोई नहीं बच पाएगा. We also have to be prepared for that. जैसे अभी हमारे यहाँ पे कैमरे के मूवमेंट शायद AI डिसाइड करे, और खास करके बैकग्राउंड कुछ हो ही नहीं लेकिन सब कुछ क्रिएट कर दे. So we have to synchronize with AI. So उसके लिए मेरा होमवर्क चालू है. ऐसे ही प्रिपेयर होते रहेंगे और हम करेंगे.
Many students feel underprepared for communication challenges in their workplace. What advice would you give to the student? How can they identify their communication style?
Don't wait that, okay, I should know this much and then only I can start communicating. If your goal is to transition from your college to your workplace, you need to start now wherever you are. Practice active listening. We have become so much into autopilot mode of reacting to things. So set your goal. What is my goal? Then a process of self-reflection, then some emotional regulation, and then start collaborating.
With AI coming in and a lot of these disruptive technologies coming in, there are a lot of economic reforms are also happening in this entire era. How do you see that? How the future is going to be?
It will be only a threat if you don't accept it and just feign ignorance. Be any profession, you need to be updated with what is happening around. The moment you start not using technology is the moment when you start failing, right? You will be thrown out. The world is changing, right? And it's changing faster than what you anticipated. Having your own POV is going to be the most critical thing.